The tips I'm gonna give you apply to everyone. So stick with this video. What's up everyone, it's your boy Skedda, and today I'm gonna give you 3 powerful tips that applies to anyone. And with these 3 tips you're gonna step up your production game. Tip number 1 would be patient. By that I mean don't rush to release your music. You don't have to make a tune and then release it the next hour. Okay, be patient, let a few days pass, check it again if you want to change something. Ask your producer friends for a feedback. This will be very helpful. Okay, so tip number 1, be patient. Tip number 2 would be learn from your mistakes. You can always go back to your previous projects and see what you did right and what you did wrong. Some people, they don't even accept the fact that they do mistakes. Don't be like that. You should accept the fact that not every track of yours is perfect. Some of your tracks won't be perfect, but you're gonna realize it after a while. And you know what? That's normal. Always go back to your previous projects and see what you did right and what you did wrong. And always remember that over time you're gonna be better and you're gonna improve yourself. So it's only normal to make mistakes. Tip number 3 will be every track you make is unique and you should always treat it that way. Not every track you make needs the exact same EQ, the exact same reverb, the exact same mastering settings. Every track you make probably needs a little bit different mastering, a little bit different EQ, a little bit different reverb and compression. You should always treat your tracks different, because as I said in my previous tip, you've got to improve yourself, and that means at some point you've got to use different techniques to different elements. You know what, I'm gonna give you a 4th tip because I think that's actually the most important of all of them. Tip number 4 would be about frustration. At some point everyone is gonna feel sad, everyone is gonna feel that his music is trash, that everyone is gonna hard judge him. And you know what, every producer, you may ask the top ones that perform in Tomorrowland or I don't know where, every single one of them, they're gonna tell you the same thing, that they've been in that position and they felt like shit. But you know what, all you have to do is keep working, keep pushing your project, and one day you're gonna see more positive signs. You're gonna start seeing things like, oh, now I've got a chance to do this and this worked out well for me. Okay, so what I need you to do is keep working hard. Okay guys, that was a video. I really hope that I helped you with these tips. Leave a comment down below. I would love to read and reply to you guys. Let me know if you have a tip for others. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe because I would really love to see you next time.